My name is Sabina Ferguson, and I've been a patient for 6 months. I had bone loss completely, and there was no way that I can get implants, and every denture that I had would not hold. This was actually the end of the road for me completely. I mean, he was very thorough. That's what I like. When I talked to him, I said, I wanted something that I don't have to deal with no more, taking in, taking out. It's hard to explain, but the way how he explained it to me, it just gave me ease. For a long time, I did not see a light on the end of the tunnel. For me, it was the end. I hadn't eaten out in 3 years. I was antisocial. And for the first time after 3 years, I was able to eat salad again and corn on the cob. So that was for me that was a big thing. On the beginning, I was afraid to talk because the dentures would fall down. I smiled more, I talked more with my mouth open. It helped my confidence a lot because now I want to take pictures again. And of course, I want to smile, I want to laugh, I want to talk to people again. He restored my life. Dr. Anderson and his team, they don't know how grateful I am. I mean, this has been literally changing my life, giving me my life back, giving me confidence. He said, we're gonna fix this. He is in my eyes, a blessing. I just want to say thank you. And they're never gonna know how much of an impact they made in my life.